Here we go, lot one, Hourglass, 2016 Cabernet Sauvignon, Eye of the Beholder from Napa, 5 cases. And who wants to start me out? 25, okay, 25. Okay, I'm going to go to the normal increments on 26, 28 is next, 28,000, 30,000, 32, 34. 34 is here now, 34, do you have 36? I have 34 in the center. 34 center bidder now, 34, 36, there we go. 36 on the left side, 38,000 Johnny. 38,000 left side bid now, 38,000, go 40. At 38,000. $38,000. Any more now? 38? At 38,000, 40,000 now. 40,000 is going to go 42. 40,000 at 42. At 42, go 4. 42,000 left side at 42. At 42, go 4. At 42, last call. At 42, 4 now. 44 now, 6. At 44,000, 6 is at 46, now go 8. 46,000 we have. At 46, go 8. 48,000, go 50. You have 50? I've got 50,000, now 55 is next. 50, 55. 55, now go 60. At 55,000, yeah, go. 60,000, now go 65. 60,000, now go 65. We go 60,000. 60,000, let's go. Last call at $60,000. One twice. Go, $60,000. Power 5. Way to launch it. Okay, lot number 2 now. Ghost Block and Markham.